Let me explain to you the opportunity that is right now in front of all of us. Okay, because of AI and other technology, it has never been easier to find something to sell, figure out how to get good at selling it, and then find people who want to buy it. These are the three things you need to get rich. And it has never been easier. It has never been easier to do nothing because the current technology also offers you a lot of distractions. The same algorithm that gets you your customers is also the same algorithm that feeds you addicting content that you cannot stop watching. So it's never been easier to find excuses to do nothing, but it has also never been easier to get really, really wealthy with not much experience. And I didn't believe this. And I just recently tested this and it's working with so low number of viewers. It's so crazy how easily you could turn a small channel into something very profitable. So, the three things that I mentioned: to find something to sell, getting good at selling it, providing that service, and then find people who want to buy it. Finding something to sell is as easy as either going with whatever you're good at or a pain in your life, a problem that you're facing that requires fixing, and then fixing it, documenting, making content about fixing it, and then providing others with the service to do the same thing for them because you have been there, right? Especially at the age of AI, information is going to be cheap, intelligence is going to be cheap. What remains is people who could feel your pain, people who could relate to you, people who could motivate you. That's what is left, because AI will already people with the information that they need. What you need is a coach, somebody who is a missionary rather than a mercenary, because he or she has been in the hole that you have found yourself in. So if you turn your pain into the service, so the pain that you had that you solved into the service that you're offering to other people, you will be able to make content about that and then sell that service eventually to people better than others, because when you talk about it, you will be passionate about it and that passion will come through and people could see that. Because what you're selling now, it's not the knowledge is already available. What you're selling is the companion with somebody that they relate to because they watch your content and they now see that you dug yourself out of that hole and they want to do the same thing and you're motivating them. And even though they could go get the information themselves, there's AI, there's so many other content, they just want you to be there, be with them by their side. They want you on the call, they want to talk to you, because they're not doing it without, even though they can do it without you, they're not doing it without you. The knowledge is there, they do not feel motivated, they feel stuck. They want somebody to be there and tell them that I've done this, I can, so it can be done, you can do it because I did this. That's what you're offering. That's what AI cannot offer. The sense of having a shared experience, that's what AI cannot offer. So that is your selling point. And again, because what you need is the passion, is the sense, the shared experience, the demonstration of that, the best thing you could sell is a problem that you have. Because either you are a psychopath that could act like you really care about the service, or you could actually genuinely care about the service, and you only will get that genuine care about that service if this service was something that you needed at some point in your life. That's how you become a good salesperson, by selling something that you really wanted one day.